In this video, we shall see De Morgan's theorems, and with the help of this experimental kit, we shall prove the De Morgan's theorems, the statements of De Morgan's theorems that we shall discuss first. Now, according to the first theorem, it states that the complement of sum is equal to the product of the complements. So, this first statement we shall actually prove on our practical experimental board. That theorem states that A plus B complete bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. So, we are using these two variables A and B on the both sides of this equation, and naturally, since there are two variables, we have got maximum possibilities will be 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 4 combinations will be there on both hand sides. So first we shall see LHS, and then we shall see RHS, and then we shall prove that the results obtained on LHS and that of RHS are equal. So in that way we will be able to prove that this statement of De Morgan theorem is satisfied. Now, as you can see the equation on the screen, we shall first of all construct the circuit, this circuit for the left hand side of the equation, which says that A plus B complete bar, A plus B complete bar. So we are using one input A and the other input B, and we shall use simply one OR gate here, and then we shall connect the output of this OR gate to the input of NOT gate, so that it will be simply a NOR gate, because A plus B complete bar is simply the output of a NOR gate. So I connect one crocodile clip here, and that we shall treat as input A. I shall take another wire here and connect it over here. This is our input B. Now I am connecting the output of this OR gate to the input of this NOT gate here. Okay, and finally we are connecting now the output of NOT gate to the LED terminal here, so that whenever the output will be 1, the LED will glow. Now I switch on the circuit here, and let us see what happens by applying 4 possible input combinations. So first I apply 0 0 by connecting these two together. So you can see the inputs are 0 0 for A and B. So 0 plus 0 complete bar is equal to 0 bar, that is equal to 1. See, the LED is glowing here. Now I change the input combination. I connect one input to logic 1 and another input to logic 0. Now see, the combination is one input is 0 and the other input is 1. So 0 plus 1 complete bar is equal to 1 bar, that is equal to 0. So the LED is right now off. Now I simply reverse these connections. I connect this terminal to logic 1 and this terminal to logic 0. Again the LED is off, because now the combination is 0 and 1. So 0 plus 1 complete bar will be equal to 1 bar, that is equal to 0. And now finally I connect both input terminals to logic 1 level. Again the inputs are 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 complete bar is equal to 1 bar, that gives you the output as 0. So in that way we have got 4 possible outputs. The first output was 1, then 0 0 0. This was the result on the left hand side of the equation. Now let us see same result that we get, whether we get on the right hand side. So for that I change the combination now. I remove these connections, and we shall again connect the circuit according to the right hand side of the equation, which is A bar dot B bar. So for that I am using one AND gate here and these two NOT gates together, because I have to bubble connect the bubbled inputs at the input terminals of this AND gate. So I take one input terminal from this NOT gate. This is our input A, okay, and then this is our input B. I take it here as B. We have got these two input terminals, and then I connect the output of this NOT gate to the input of this AND gate. Now another output of this NOT gate, I connect it to the other input terminal of the AND gate. So with this we have got the right hand side circuit, right hand side of the equation is now in the circuit form on this board. Now what I have to do is to connect the output of this AND gate to the LED. So whenever the output of this AND gate will become 1, the LED will glow. So we have got these input terminals, one is A and the other is B. Now I together connect these two terminals to logic 0 level. You can see both inputs are 0, 0. Now this 0 is coming up over here and it is converted into 1 here because it is a NOT gate. The another 0 is coming over here and it is converted into 1 by using this NOT gate, and these two 1, 1 signals are coming up at the input of this AND gate, and so the output is 1. So the LED is glowing. Now if you reverse the combination, if you change the combination, I make one input as 0 and the other as 1, then you can see the LED is off. If I reverse the combination here, in that case also the output will be 0, and if I connect both these input terminals to logic 1 level, in that case also the output will be 0. So in that way, in the right hand side circuit, right hand side of the equation in circuit form is also giving us the same result, that is 1, 0, 0, 0. So in this way we have proved De Morgan's first theorem, which is A plus B complete bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. In the same way you can prove De Morgan's second theorem, which is complement of product is equal to sum of the complements. For that you can refer our practical booklet, and in that booklet you will see the circuits for the left hand side and the right hand side. You can construct both circuits on this board one by one and get the results at the output here on the LED and verify the equation.